Hey there, Fit Fam! We've got a 15-minute full-body cardio workout to get your blood flowing and have you drenched in sweat by the end of this. For this workout, we've got 5 exercises, 3 rounds, 45 seconds of work, and 15 seconds of rest. Make sure to follow me on Instagram to keep up with my latest workout challenges. First up is the lunge knee to elbow. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and let's get started. Alternate taking a step forward, lunging, then engaging your core to crunch opposite elbow to knee. The modification is to do reverse lunges, which is easier on the knees. We're just getting warmed up, so keep up that high energy for this whole 15-minute workout. Next up is the good morning half burpee. Jump out into a high plank, then jump back up, keeping your head low as you come up, engaging your glutes for a good morning. The modification is to step in and out instead of jumping. For this move, try to keep a flat back as you come up for a good morning, and really engage your core and glutes in this move. Next up is the push-up to side plank tap. Bring your elbow to knee in a side crunch. The modification here is to do a half push-up to side plank. Way to commit to moving your body today. You chose to show up and push through the pain, so keep it up. Our next move is the mountain climber. Keep your butt low here, bringing your knees to your chest. Try to challenge yourself and go as fast as you can. You really want to push past your comfort zone. The modification is to hold a half plank. Don't forget to breathe through this move. You're almost there. Keep up that energy you started with. Now we've got the jumping punch squat. This one's a fun one to get all that pent-up anger out and punch with all you've got. The modification is to step in and out into squat, then standing. For this move, you want to keep your core engaged and punch with intention. really putting strength behind each punch.
The city lights are making me wanna be something else that I'm used to. Spending time reminiscing of what it used to be. Not letting go.
We're on round 2. Way to go! We're already 1/3 of the way through this workout. We're done with the warm-up, and I need you to keep that same energy from here on out. Back to our first move, the lunge knee to elbow. Way to push through. Now we're back to the good morning half burpee. Don't forget to keep that flat back as you come up. We are well into the second third of this workout. Remember this, we are gonna leave a little stronger today, stronger than the last time, better than the last time.
You got me feeling alright. Whenever I'm around you, baby, you make me feel so alive.
Next up is the push-up to side plank tap. Check in with yourself. What can you make of this time? What can you build? Are you pushing yourself? Hold yourself accountable to give this workout your all.
Everybody, can you feel the groove? Grab somebody, let it go. Ooh, everybody, can you feel the groove? You make me feel so alive.
Now we're back to our mountain climbers. Give it your all and go as fast as you can. We're over halfway through this workout and you are crushing it. You should be proud that you showed up today and you are putting in the work.
Anything I wouldn't do to prove that everything I say is true. And if you let me, I'll keep loving you. I just can't change my emotions. Come on, love me again. You're all I need. Can you love me again?
Next is my favorite move, the jumping punch squat. Imagine punching away all that negativity in your life. This is our release. We're only here for 20 more seconds. You can do anything for that long. Yes, we've made it, our last round. I'm feeling what you're feeling right now, but we've got this. We're so close. For our last time through, lunge knee to elbow.
Come on, love me again, love me again. I know I messed it up, but in my soul, I feel a love for you that's out of control. Sometimes I feel like I can make you whole. I just can't change my emotions. Oh, come on, love me again. You're all I need. Can you love me again? I'll be. Come on, love me the way you did. I just can't change my emotions.
Our next move and last time through, the good morning half burpee.
Sweet emotion. I know I messed it up in my soul. I feel a love for you that's out of control. Sometimes I feel like I can make you whole. I just can't change my emotions.
We're showing up today in this temporary pain for long-term gain. Way to keep up your energy and push through the pain.
I just can't change my emotions.
You won't believe we've had our way, but somewhere there's a light inside of us. It shows the way. Not looking for no, cause I got you.
Now we've got push-up to side plank tap.
Don't wanna show.
I know that you're tired, but we've got less than 3 minutes left of this workout. We can do this.
This ain't no madness. The smoke in the mirrors are memories. Now the sun's come down like a river rushing way up above. This ain't no sugar-coated love.
Don't give up. Don't quit. Go all the way to the beat. This is our last time through.
I stay in bed. I still got the feeling that you're next to me. Stuck in my head. When lights go off, you're
On to the mountain climbers. Don't forget, we are draining the tank and going as fast as we can here.
oh no. And I go, 'cause I got you. I got you. No one stop. Show us up. Show my own. I'm telling you why. This ain't no madness. The smoke in the mirrors are memories. Now the sun's come down like a river rushing way up above. This ain't no sugar-coated love. Yeah, this ain't sugar-coated love. This ain't no sugar-coated, but I'm flying so.
Woo, you crushed it. One more move, our favorite, the jumping punch squat. You can imagine punching me if you need to. You are almost there. 20 more seconds. Push with all you've got. Don't let up. Take care of your body. You showed up today, you put in the work, so you should be proud. If you enjoyed this workout, it would be amazing if you could hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you at the next workout.